Have you ever wished you could control your devices like magic? Today, we are exploring a device that could change how you use your tech forever. Imagine controlling your entire Apple ecosystem with tiny finger movements. Apple's most interesting wearable rumor for 2026 might not be a watch at all. It might actually be a smart ring. If the latest leaks are right, the Apple Ring is not just a tiny health tracker. It is a screen-free remote. It is an always-on biometric sensor. It is Apple's secret path to the next era of spatial computing. Apple has not confirmed anything officially yet. However, recent patents and supply chain leaks clearly point to a brand new device. It is a device designed for controlling your tech effortlessly without even thinking about it. First, let us look at the amazing health features. A ring is the absolute perfect place for passive biometrics. It fits snugly and stays on your finger. All day, if Apple uses its expected premium sensors, you will get continuous heart rate tracking. You will get blood oxygen monitoring. You will also get highly precise sleep tracking and skin temperature trends. Temperature helps show your daily recovery and stress levels. The real magic is how this connects directly to Apple Health. Your ring becomes a continuous, reliable data collector. You have to take your smartwatch off to charge it. You might not want to sleep with a bulky watch. But people sleep in normal rings very easily every single night. This means Apple gets better data to keep you completely healthy. Now, here's the absolute most exciting rumor of all. The Apple Ring might feature advanced gesture control. We do not mean waving your hands around. We mean subtle micro gestures. Think about small taps. Think about tiny pinches. Think about gentle finger rolls. You can do these gestures in a quiet meeting or on a crowded train without looking weird. Screens are everywhere, but touching them is not always easy. Your phone might be stuck in your pocket. Your hands might be wet from washing dishes. A ring turns your hand into a universal remote. Picture watching a movie on your Apple TV. You do not need to find the remote. You just rotate the ring to scroll. You tap your fingers to select a show. You double tap to pause the movie. There is no glowing screen on the ring to distract you. Instead, you get precise haptic feedback. Apple loves using haptics. The ring could give you a gentle pulse for a quick text. It could give a longer vibration for an urgent calendar alarm. You feel it instantly on your finger, but the room stays totally quiet. This brings us directly to the Apple Vision Pro. The headset already tracks your hands, but cameras always have limits. Bad lighting can cause annoying tracking issues. Ring fixes this problem entirely. It acts as a precise physical anchor. It tracks your micromotions perfectly. It makes simple pinch gestures feel fast, reliable, and natural. We also hear strong rumors about a rotating outer band on the ring. Apple loves premium physical controls. Think about the digital crown on the Apple Watch. A rotating band gives you pure analog control. You can scroll through your favorite playlists. You can smoothly adjust your smart lights. The smart controls adapt to your active app. If you use music, it changes the volume. If you use maps, it zooms in. Design is always crucial for Apple products. The ring will look minimalist. Will look stylish and premium. It will not look like a geeky piece of tech. It needs to fit perfectly to collect good sensor data. Apple might use clever sizing kits just like they do for their watch bands. Battery life is another huge advantage for a ring. Rumors strongly suggest it could last 5 to 7 days on a single charge. There is no bright screen to drain the battery power. You charge it once and completely forget about it. The Apple ecosystem integration will be massive. The ring will beautifully complement your Apple Watch. It could also act as your digital security key. Walk up to your Mac computer and it unlocks instantly. Tap your finger to pay with Apple Pay quickly. It confirms your secure identity. Seamlessly, in my best opinion, this Apple Ring could be the ultimate game changer for all smart devices. The pure convenience of a screen-free invisible remote on your finger is totally unmatched. It will flawlessly bridge the gap between our physical actions and our digital life. It will make controlling your smart home and devices feel like real magic. Here is a quick challenge for you today. Notice exactly how many times you reach for a screen just to pause music. Notice how many times you clear a fast notification. The Apple Ring is specifically built to erase those annoying little moments. The bright future of wearables is not louder tech. It is quieter, smarter control. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that.